Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT Max 3, and I'll show you how to change icon shape with X icon changer app on this device. So first we should launch the Play Store application to get the X icon changer app. That's why here in the search pool let's enter X icon changer. And now we should get this application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on our device. After that we just should click to open the app. And then just let's select more from this available apps. So I'll go with the phone app, for example. You can rename this just application if you want. For example, the app. Tap to OK. Now just so we can select our new icon from this available folders with the icons, or we can use photo from our device gallery, or we can just take a picture right now in camera app. For example, I'll use this icon. Then just to add it, you should click on the right upper corner to OK. Just wait a second. We just should skip all the ads here. And now just click to add. Automatically we can go to the desktop or to change the next icon by the same way. So now let's go to the home screen and we can see the new phone application icon here, so we can see the difference. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.